Hi everyone, Elisa with Jots Designs. In this video, I will show you what comes in the NicPro Epoxy Resin Kit. On the box itself, there's a little bit of information for you. Inside, you will find the manual, scrapers, surface protection, gloves, measuring cups, a long silicone spatula, an apron, various additives, the resin and hardener, pipettes, and a silicone stir stick. The measuring cups have both ounces and milliliters for easy measuring. There's more than one pair of gloves, so you'll have enough for several projects. The manual gives you all the instructions you need, as well as many tips and answers to common questions. This is the surface protection, and there's 2 in there, so again, plenty for several projects. The resin and hardener are measured by volume at a 1-to-1 ratio. Each bottle is a half a gallon. For the additives, you get loads of mica powders in just about every color you'll need. There's also silver, copper, and gold leafing. Included in that bag are the perfect size spoons for the mica powder, as well as little tweezers for the leafing. All in all, it's a perfect starter kit for epoxy resin. All you'll need then is to decide what you'll make with it all. I hope you found this helpful, and happy crafting. Bye!